In this video, I will show you how to get your terminated Roblox account back. First, open Google and search for Appeal Roblox Account Termination. Click on the first link that appears, which takes you to Roblox's official support page. Scroll down until you see the section called Violations and Appeals and click on it. This will take you to the appeal form. If your specific ban does not appear in the list, you can select Appeal Something Not Shown. Now, fill in the form carefully. Type the email address connected to your band account and confirm it again in the next field. For device type, select the device you normally use to play Roblox, for example, PC or mobile. For the help category, choose moderation, and for the subcategory, select appeal account or content. In the description box, explain your situation politely and clearly. For example, my account was terminated and I believe this was a mistake. Please review my case and, if possible, unban my account. Make sure to include your Roblox username and the email address linked to your account. Once done, click on Continue to submit your appeal. After that, check your email regularly because Roblox support will send you updates about your appeal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.